Welcome. This is a video based upon the past paper questions of the topic straight lines for A level. So the first question it says the points A and B are given. A line P is drawn through B perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular to AB. So what am I going to find? I am going to find the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 2 upon 6, which is 1 upon 3. Now perpendicular gradient. Perpendicular gradient will be -3. Now what is he asking? Find the equation of P. P is passing through what? Passing through B. So B is going to be a x1, y1. So equation of P. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 8 equals to -3x plus 6. So what do I get it out? Y equals to -3x plus 6 plus 8. So what does that becomes? Y equals to -3x plus 14. That's going to be the answer. Determine the coordinates of C. But for C, what is the condition is being given? For C, the condition is it meets y-axis at C. Y-axis at C means y-axis. What is the meaning of y-axis? X equals to 0. So plug in x equals to 0, you get -3 times of 0 plus 14. So what does that becomes now? Minus 14. So y equals to positive 14. So the coordinates of C is 0, 14 is going to be the answer. Now coming to the second question. What is the second question? The line L has an equation 2x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. The line M passes through a 0, 4 and perpendicular to L. So first of all, I'll be finding gradient of L. What is gradient of L? Minus a upon b minus 2 upon minus 1, which is 2. So gradient of M will be -1 upon 2 passing through 0, 4. So equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So what will be the equation? Y equals to -half x plus 4. Find the equation of M. Show that L and M intersect at a point P. So now we got the equation of line L as 2x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 and M as y equals to -half x plus 4. What we can do? Plug in y over here. So in that case 2x minus of minus half x plus 4 minus 1 equals to 0. So what does that becomes now? 2x plus half x minus 4 minus 1 equals to 0. So 5 upon 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Then 5 upon 2x equals to 5. X equals to 5 times 2 upon 5. When I bring this 5 upon to the other side, it becomes 2 upon 5. 5 gets cancels, x equals to 2. Once I get x equals to 2, what am I going to do? Plug in this x value in the equation. So y equals to -half times of 2 plus 4. So y equals to -1 plus 4, which is -3. So positive 3. So what's going to be the point? 2, 3 is going to be the point. Find an equation of line N this time. Find the line L passes through 3, 0 and parallel to M. What was the gradient of line M? Gradient of line of was -1 upon 2. So parallel gradient also will be -1 upon 2. Parallel lines will have same gradient. So parallel gradient also will be equals to -1 upon 2 and passing through which point? The point is given as 3, 0. Find an equation of N. So now I am going to find equation of N passing through 3, 0. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to -half x plus 3 upon 2. This is equation of n. Next, what else is being asked? Find the coordinates of Q where L and N intersect. L is over here and N intersects. So write down L. What was L? L was 2x minus y minus 1 equals to 0, and N is y equals to minus half x plus 3 upon 2. So plug in y over here. So it becomes 2x minus of minus half x plus 3 upon 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So it becomes 2x plus half x minus 3 upon 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So 5 upon 2x minus 5 upon 2 equals to 0. 5 upon 2x equals to 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2 gets cancels, x equals to 1. Now plug in x equals to 1 over here. So y value will be equal to negative half times of 1 plus 3 upon 2, which is equals to nothing but how much? 1. So the point is 1 comma 1 is going to be the answer. Now coming to question number 3. The line L1 has a gradient. Gradient of L1 is 1 upon 7 and passes through 2 comma 2. Line L2. L2 has a gradient negative 1 and passes through 4 comma 8. L1 and L2 intersect at C. Find equation of L1. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So I'll be getting y equals to 1 upon 7x minus 2 upon 7 plus 2. So y equals to 1 upon 7x plus 12 upon 7. Now for this one and equation of L2. Y minus 8 equals to minus 1 times x minus 4. Y minus 8 equals to negative x plus 4. Y equals to negative x plus 4 plus 8. Y equals to negative x plus 12. Then L1 and L2 intersect at C. Find the point of intersection of C. So this is also y, this is also y. So equate x upon 7 plus 12 upon 7 equals to negative x plus 12. So x upon 7 plus x equals to 12 minus 12 upon 7. So what do I get it out? This is 8x upon 7 equals to 84 minus 12 is 72. 72 upon 7. So what does it become? 7 7 cancels. 8x equals to 72. So x equals to 72 upon 8. X equals to 9. Plug in x equals to 9 in the equation. Y equals to negative x plus 12. So y equals to negative 9 plus 12. So y equals to 3. So what is the coordinates of C? 9 comma 3 are the coordinates of C. Question number 4. A straight line passing through a point 2 comma 1 and k comma 11 has a gradient. So gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to minus 5 upon 12. So 10 upon k minus 2 equals to minus 5 upon 12. Find an equation of a line in terms of x and y only and find the value of the k. So I am finding the value of k also. So what does that becomes now? Negative 120 equals to negative 5k plus 10. Cross multiplication I have done. I have done the cross multiplication to find the value of k. Now negative 120 negative 10 equals to negative 5k. So positive 120. This was not positive 120. So this is positive 120. So what does that becomes? 110 equals to negative 5k. K equals to negative 22. Now he's asking find the equation of L. So what I can do? I can take this point and the gradient. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 5 upon 12x plus 10 upon 12 plus 1. So y equals to negative 5 upon 12x. Do by calculator, you should be getting it out 11 upon 6. Question number 5. Find the equation of a line L which is passing through 1, 0 and 5, 6. So first find gradient of line L. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 6 upon 4, which is 3 upon 2. So equation will be y minus y1, I take a comma 0, is 3 upon 2 times x minus x1. So y equals to 3 upon 2x minus 3 upon 2. Then line M with an equation meets L at C. Find the coordinates of C. So what is the equation of line L? 3x, 2x plus 3y equals to 15. So we know that y is this one. So substitute that 2x plus 3 times of y. 3 upon 2x minus 3 upon 2 equals to 15. So 2x plus 9 upon 2x minus 9 upon 2 equals to 15. This is, when I add these two, it becomes 13x upon 2 equals to 15 plus 9 upon 2. 13x upon 2 equals to 39 upon 2. 2 cancels, 13x equals to 39. So x equals to 3. Plug in x equals to 3. So y equals to 3 upon 2 times 3 minus 3. So 9 upon 2 minus 3, which is again 3 upon 2. So 6 upon 2, which is 3. So what's going to be the coordinates of C? 3, 3 is going to be the coordinates of C. Question number 6. The line L passes through the point this much. Find the equation of the line L. So first of all, I'll find the gradient of L. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 22 upon negative 20. So it is 11 upon 10. Then I use point A, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Then multiply by 10 on both sides. I multiply by 10 on both sides equals to 11x minus 11. So bring all the terms on one side. 11x minus 10y minus 11 plus 30 equals to 0. 11x minus 10y plus 19 equals to 0. Question number 7. The line L1 passes through point A and B. Find the equation of L1. So gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is negative 1 upon 2. So equation will be, I take this one, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 1 upon 2x plus 6 upon 2 is 3. Next, what is he asking? The second straight line L2 passes through a point C and has gradient this one. So gradient is already given. What is it passing through? 9 minus 9 comma 0. So equation of L2. Equation of L2 will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus of minus 9. So y equals to 1 upon 4x plus 9 upon 4. Question number 8. A line L passes through these 2 points. Find the equation of line L. L1. So gradient you find y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, 9 upon 6, which is 3 upon 2. Then I take this point 6 comma 7, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 7 equals to 3 upon 2x minus 18 upon 2, which is 9. 3 upon 2x minus 9 plus 7. So y equals to 3 upon 2x minus 2. The straight line L2 has this equation and meets y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0 at C. L1 and L2 intersects at D. Find the coordinates of D and the area of the triangle ACD. So now first of all, part C, x plus y equals to 8. It cuts y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So 0 plus y equals to 8. So y equals to 8. So what are the coordinates of C? C are 0, 8. Now find the coordinates of D. Line L1 and L2 intersect. What is L1? L1 was y equals to 3 upon 2x minus 2, and L2 is x plus y equals to 8. So we know that y is this one, plug in over here. So x plus 3 upon 2x minus 2 equals to 8. These both will become 5 upon 2x equals to 8 plus 2. 5 upon 2x equals to 10. So x equals to 10 times 2 upon 5, which is 4. Then plug in x equals to 4 over here. You'll be getting y value as 4. So the points of D will be 4, 4. So I add a page over there and do that neatly. So I got the value of x as 4. So plug in that x as 4 in x plus y equals to 8. 4 plus y equals to 8. So y equals to 4. So what is the coordinate of D? D is 4, 4. Now what is he asking? Area of a triangle ACD. What was A? If we can recollect, A was 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2. C is nothing but what? C is 0, 8. And D is 4, 4. So when I draw the diagram, A is over here, C is over here, and D is over here. 4, 4. I want to find area of this triangle ACD. So area of a triangle is half base times height. Base times height. Base. This is going to be the base, which is nothing but what? This is 8 and this is 2. So the total base is 10. Then height. This is going to be the height, which is nothing but how much? 4 times 4. So what's going to be the answer? 20 is the area of the triangle. Half base times height. Question number 9. The points A and B are given and find the equation of the line L1. So gradient of L1 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So minus 20 upon 10, which is negative 2. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 2x plus 4 plus 16. Y equals to negative 2x plus 20. Bring all the terms on one side. So you get 2x plus y minus 20 equals to 0. Or else 2x plus y equals to 20. Line L2 passes through point C with coordinates and gradient. So equation of L2 will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus of x1. So y minus 1 equals to 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3. Y equals to 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1, which becomes 1 upon 3x plus 4 upon 3. Question number 10. ABC are given. Find the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 4 upon 8, which is 1 upon 2. Find the value of K. ABC is a right angle triangle. So gradient of BC will be perpendicular because it is a right angle triangle. It is perpendicular. Perpendicular. Right angle triangle means the angle is 90 degrees. So therefore perpendicular. So 1 upon 2 perpendicular angle will be negative 2. That should be equal to gradient of BC, which is nothing but how much? 4 minus 2 upon k minus 7. So negative 2 equals to 2 upon k minus 7. Negative 2k plus 14. Cross multiplication I did equals to 2. Negative 2k equals to 2 minus 14. Negative 2k equals to negative 12. K equals to 6. That's going to be the answer. Find an equation of a line passing through B and C. Now B and C. What is B now? B is 7, 2, C is 6, 4. 7, 2, 6, 4. So first find gradient of BC, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is negative 2. So equation is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Y equals to negative 2x plus 14 plus 2. So y equals to negative 2x plus 16. Write in standard form, minus 16 equals to 0. Question number 11. A straight line L passes through this much. Find the gradient of L. Gradient of L will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Simplify that, it becomes 3 plus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. Take root 3 common in numerator, it becomes root 3 plus 1 upon 1 plus root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled, so gradient is root 3. Then find the equation of the line. Then y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 3 root 3 equals to x root 3 minus root 3. Y equals to x root 3 minus root 3 plus 3 root 3. Y equals to x root 3 plus 2 root 3. Then show that L meets x-axis at minus 2 comma 0. X-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. 0 equals to x root 3 plus 2 root 3. So x root 3 equals to negative 2 root 3. Root 3 gets cancels. X equals to negative 2. So the point is negative 2 comma 0. Question number 12. Find an equation of a straight line passing through these 2 points. So first find the gradient. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 7 upon 5. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus of minus 1. Then what do I get it out? Cross multiply, 5y minus 25 equals to minus 7x minus 7. I did the cross multiplication. Bring all terms on one side. Minus 25 plus 7 equals to 0. So what will be the equation? 7x plus 5y minus 18 equals to 0. Now the line crosses x-axis at A, y-axis at B. X-axis means y equals to 0. So what does that become? 7x minus 18 equals to 0. X equals to 18 upon 7. So the point A will be 18 upon 7 comma 0. Y-axis at B. Y-axis means x equals to 0. 5y minus 18 equals to 0. So y equals to 18 upon 5. So what is B? 0 comma 18 upon 5. Now he is asking us to find it out, area of the triangle. So when I draw the area of the triangle, x-axis at, that is a point, 18 upon 7, and y-axis at 18 upon 5. This is A, this is B. What is the area of the triangle ABC? Half base times height. Half base times height. What is the base? Base is 18 upon 7. This is the base. And this is the height. Height is 18 upon 5. Simplify that, 162 upon 35. Question number 13. The gradient is given, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is 1 upon 3. 2k minus 2 upon 8 minus k equals to 1 upon 3. Do the cross multiplication. 6k minus 6 equals to 8 minus k. 6k plus k equals to 8 plus 6. 7k equals to 14. K equals to 2. Find the equation of the line. Now the points will become, A will become 2 comma 1 and B will become 8 comma 3 when I plug in k values. Now what am I going to find? I am going to find the gradient y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, 2 upon 6, which is 1 upon 3. Then equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Then minus 2 upon 3 plus 1. Simplify that, you should be getting 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3. Question number 14. Sketch the lines. See you in the next video. Bye.